In this video, I will quickly show you how to deploy a project on AWS. First, go to your Amazon Web Services account and open the main dashboard. After that, choose the service you want to use for deployment, such as EC2, Amplify, Elastic Beanstalk, or S3, depending on your project type. If it is a static website, for example, you can use Amazon S3 to host the files. If it is a more complete web application, EC2 or Elastic Beanstalk are usually good options. Next, upload your project files to the selected service. Then configure permissions, access ports, and your domain if you want to connect a custom address. If you are using an EC2 instance, you will also need to access the server, install your project dependencies, and start the application. Another important step is setting up the security rules correctly so users can access the site. After that, test the AWS-generated link to make sure your project is working properly. If everything looks good, your project will already be live and accessible on the internet. And that's it. Now you know how to deploy a project on AWS easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.